Hello everybody. Today's project is to fix the hot and cold setting right here, which is in a 2007 Dodge Charger RT. We have an actuator like this. This is the new one that I haven't replaced yet, that has gone bad. There's several of these actuators in the uh, dash that we need to fix. In this case, this is a dual zone climate control. This is the driver's side, this is the passenger, and there are two actuators up in here. I'll show you in a second. The farthest one back is going to be the heat blend door for this side, so hot and cold. There's another actuator under here for the hot and cold for the passenger side, and then there's a mode door that goes from blowing in your face to face and feet to feet, and then the defrost settings up here. And that is also under here, but it's the rearmost or towards the back of the car of the two. So the mode door is in front, and then just behind that or towards the front of the car is the blend door for the driver's side heat. So to get under there, we need to do a couple of things. And it starts with removing, here's the door. We'd have to pull the trim piece that just pops towards the back of the car. And then we remove a Phillips head screw there and a Phillips head screw that comes up from the bottom. Then we can remove the plastic piece. It comes towards you. There's clips there, there, and there, as well as one there. So that will actually, there's one there and right there as well. So those will come back towards you once you get those two screws out. Then there will be a metal piece right here under the dash that has four screws, 1, 2, and then 3, 4. Those are 10 millimeters that will come out, and then you get access up under there. And I will show you what's under there in just a little bit. Thanks. To make getting under the dash a little bit easier, I have this power built under dash creeper. It's kind of a one-ended creeper that helps you get underneath the dash. It sits on the ground outside, but then you lay it across the threshold here of the door, so you don't have to put your knees on the ground. And when you're old and crusty like me, everything that makes bending and getting under things easier is pretty much essential. So I definitely recommend this power built under dash creeper. It does turn into a regular creeper too. You just fold this leg up, and then it'll go under your car like a regular creeper. But great stuff for working under a dash. All right, let's take a look at those actuators. Okay, so looking under the dash here, we can see that there's a couple of actuators. The front one, or the one towards the back of the car, is the easiest one to reach, but unfortunately this is the one that does the mode from your foot to your face to the defrost, and that one is right there, and it actuates that lever right there. So if we look behind it, it's kind of hard to see from here, but right back there is the one for the driver's side blend door, which controls the heat. So we got to get to that one, take it out, and replace it. So hopefully that's useful as far as getting to the actuators and taking them off. And that's what they look like. They're both the same kind of actuator. They're just in different spots. Thanks a lot.